discussion here would enable the Department of Social Welfare and its immediate line departments like the Education and Home Police Department to follow up on various measures required in order to enhance the safety and security of women and children. There are also various initiatives we have taken which civil society is not aware of. Today, we are sharing that information with them. For instance, the helplines that we have 24/7, where crimes against women and children can be reported. The fact that there is absenteeism in schools caused by girl pupils having their menstrual cycle, and how the government of Meghalaya has come forward to ensure that we have also been able to partner with one organization that actually manufactures these pads. So these are initiatives and interventions which we would like the rest of the state, those who are outside the centers of power, to also know. And you, for yourself, I'm sure you must have noticed that much of the conversation also happened in Khasi, because a lot of those who are here have come from villages that are, one of them said he's come and traveled 90 kilometers to be here. So that awareness is now being spread, because we would like to engage with the community and ensure that they are wonders in eradicating crimes against women and children. All across, in fact, throughout the state, we have multiple numbers of girl children who, conceived at the age of 13, 14, and when law enforcement takes place and you have to arrest the offenders, then the village pleads ignorance and says that this has been our practice for generations together. Those are challenges, which is why we will now need to also create awareness